everyone, you're welcome back. Okay, so if you're new here, you are most and highly welcome. And how are you doing and how is your day? Okay guys, so just 1 cup of this, before bed, like, or early in the morning, yeah, and all of your belly fats will be melted, like it melts away. Okay, although you have to also be consistent, like you have to take it and take it again. Okay, by so doing, your fat cells will be shrinking, and before you know it, your goal is achieved. Yeah. Okay guys, so let me take you right into this video, and do not forget to thumbs up the video and subscribe. Okay, let's go. So 1 cup of this is basically what you need for that very flat tummy and a snatched body. Yeah, so this is warm water. You can see the flame is actually coming out really good, and we're going to be needing yellow label Lipton tea. Okay, so when you want to use this, you will have to use 2 bags of the Lipton tea for an almost very effective result. Yeah, so 2 bags of yellow Lipton tea into a warm water. Okay, so this is not going to take too long for it to be induced. We're going to leave it in this warm water, let it be induced until the water gets cold, like not really cold but a little warm. Yeah, that's what we need. Okay, so already you can see that. Okay, but I'm still gonna be leaving it in, let it get really black, and I'll be coming back for you. So what we're going to be needing again is coconut, and in this we're going to be needing coconut milk. We're going to be needing the milk from this coconut. Yeah, so what we're going to do here is we're going to be cutting this. Now if you're actually used to taking coconut milk, in your diet or your dieting, yeah, you're used to taking coconut milk, it's going to help you so much. Yeah, it's going to help you to build your body metabolism, and it's going to help to reduce the fat that's in your tummy area. Okay, or like other normal milk, which actually helps to build fats, but this coconut milk does not actually build any fats. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna be blending it so I could get the juice out of this coconut, and then we'll be getting the milk out too. Okay guys, so our coconut milk is ready. And I'm gonna be sieving this out. So this is the milk, and it's really delicious. It's really delicious. Okay, so the next ingredient we're going to be needing is cucumber. So we're going to be needing a little cut of this cucumber. I'm mixing it with other ingredients so very much. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to be cutting this into cubes. Alright, so after we finish cutting that, then we're going to be getting the juice out of it. So however you can get the juice, you can do that here. If you want to blend it, fine. If you want to crate it, it is all good. So for me, I'm gonna be blending it, since I have my small blender here that helps me do that. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to be sieving this out equally. So we have cucumber and coconut juice, so we're equally going to be keeping that aside. Then we're going to be needing some lime. This guys, now since we have cucumber juice, that's why we're actually putting in the lime. Otherwise, if you can't get lime, you can equally get your lemon, and then you squeeze in lemon, or you squeeze in orange into it. So I'm gonna be grabbing back my Lipton juice. It's still getting black. Okay, so I'm gonna be squeezing in the lime. Sorry, I wanted to call it lemon. I'm gonna be squeezing in the lemon into it. So I'm going to be squeezing my lime. I still call it lemon. So lime actually does not contain too much of juice. That's why I actually use lime this time. Yeah, okay, so that we can actually just take a little of it and mix it here, and we're good. Which is actually optional. You can actually use it, you can decide not to use it. Yeah, it's dates. Okay, now dates is going to help to at least sweeten the taste of this whole drink, so that you can, you know, take it without, you know, without it slapping your mouth or something, because it's actually not going to be very sweet. But when we put dates in it, it's going to help us sweeten the taste, and it's going to still continue doing the job. So don't use honey in this particular one, use dates. Yeah, okay guys, so after that we're going to be turning that into the bowl, and we're equally going to be putting just a little water, so that we can at least be able to blend it. Okay guys, so this is it. Dates actually tastes sweet like honey, but still I would still recommend you actually use dates instead of honey in this. So I'm actually going to be sieving this out. Yeah, I'm actually sieving it out because it didn't blend very smooth. But without that, you don't need to sieve anything out. If you can blend yours to be very smooth, you don't need to sieve it out. Yeah, because you can just eat all of it apart from the seed. And when you're buying dates, please remember to buy the one that contains the seed in it. Okay, that particular one is very organic, and that's what. So I have the tea, date juice, watermelon juice, and coconut milk. Yeah, and the lime is squeezed into this. Yeah, okay, so I'll grab a cup. I'm gonna be taking out the 2 bags of Lipton tea. You know, turn this inside of here. Now for you to mix all of this, yeah, you have to make sure that the Lipton tea is cool. You can drink this cool, like let it be cool, not hot. So I'll pour in the date juice, the watermelon juice, and the cucumber juice, and the coconut milk. Yeah, okay, so this is it, and this is how it looks like. Yeah, this is amazing. This is really good. Just 1 glass or 1 cup of this every morning for just 2 weeks. Man, if you curtail your carbohydrates and curtail the intake of fatty food, you're going to see a huge improvement. So you take this early in the morning before taking any other meal. Trust me guys, this is going to be very helpful. Believe you me, do this and you're going to really testify of it. Okay, so I actually didn't stir it. After putting this, you can actually just stir it and make sure that everything mixes in together. And let me have a taste of this. Wow, this is actually very sweet. Like, it is very sweet. Like, you're actually taking a belly fat juice that is sweet, but it's going to remove all those annoying belly fats. So that's it. You can drink this 1 glass every day, 1 glass every day for a period of 2 weeks, and you know, this is actually going to help you so much. It's going to help to shrink your fat. It's going to help to make your skin look really glowing and healthy, and you are going to be loving it. Okay, so if you do enjoy watching the video, please give me a like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again. Bye.